my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from the rest of my videos. If you know me or know my channel, you know that most of the time I do a lot of thrift flips. However, last week I was like in the middle of filming a video, I was almost done, and then my sewing machine broke down. So yeah, so that's why there wasn't any video last week because yeah, anyways, let's jump right into it. As you probably can tell by the title already, today I'm going to be talking about Instagram, especially what to do when you have nothing to post. Speaking from my own experience, quarantine has been really bad for my Instagram. It sounds so bad because there's literally a pandemic going on. Thousands and thousands of people are dying, and here I am talking about Instagram. Wow, that just made me rethink this concept of the video again. And anyways, we live in an age where social media is unfortunately a big part of our lives. I wouldn't say unfortunately, because for me personally, like Instagram is kind of like a game. I just like to like plan it. I like to, play with the feed. I don't know. We all know how social media is like bad for our lives. I don't know. Sometimes I just like to go on there and, not focus on all my problems in my real life and just dissociate for a minute, Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking about it. And yeah, as I already said, because of Corona, I was kind of struggling to post. I know a lot of people have been struggling too. So yeah, I just thought it would be a fun idea to sit down and talk about all the fun things you can do for your Instagram. I had like a big list of things that I wanted to say in this video, but then the list got so long that I just started like cutting out the things that like are pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, I cut it down to 3 basic steps that I think can help you right now if you can't travel, if you're stuck at home. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So the first tip is to explore your home. I know this sounds like super stupid, but I've never actually like looked at my home as like a photo studio, and I realized how many cool places I have. Or honestly, if you have like a blank white wall, you can just play with the lighting, with the outfit, and the photo will look bomb. Another cool tip about this, if you're still like in quarantine and you can't even leave your house, a really good photo shoot idea is the FaceTime photo shoot. I did one of those FaceTime photo shoots with my friend. Here are the results. I think they look super cool, and yeah, it was like a matter of 3 hours, maybe even less, and I got all these amazing photos from it. So yeah, definitely explore your home. Tip number 2 is to not explore your home, but explore your neighborhood. A few weeks ago, I was planning a sleepover with my friend, and we were talking about how we don't have really anything to post and that it could be a good idea to go out and shoot some photos. And we didn't really want to go anywhere too far to the city, so I was like, you know what, let's just go in my neighborhood and we can find some cool spots. And we literally went into like a school, the sport field behind the school, and we took so many cool photos there. It was just like such a fun experience. We had so much fun. Plus, it's a really good way to spice up your sleepover. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna put some videos, like a small vlog from that trip, plus the results that we got, and yeah, hopefully you'll like it.
This is my friend Carolina. Hi! We found this beautiful spot. Wow. Hi! Next location, just a lot of
So hard to believe. So I
that's all. I know it's kind of messy because we were kind of like running around my neighborhood and like taking pictures everywhere that looked like at least a little bit cute. And yeah, but yeah, anyway, moving to the last but definitely not least tip. Tip number 3 is to just have fun. I know, that sounds super cheesy, that sounds super basic, but trust me, I saw so many cool ideas for photo shoots floating around the internet. Here's, you know, the mirror photo shoot challenge. Look at those photos, they are absolutely amazing. Then there's like the spotlight photo shoot idea. I don't know how that's called, but look at these photos again. Like you can literally just put like a cool eyeliner on your face and look at these photos. Like, see, like just spicing up a little detail in your photo will change everything. And yeah, you don't have to travel for that, you don't have to leave your house for that. It's just all so easy. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I hope you liked the video. I know these tips are super self-explanatory. However, I feel like a lot of people forget these tips, myself included. I never tried to explore my neighborhood or my house. So yeah, I hope this video was at least a little bit helpful. I hope you got at least a little bit inspired. If you didn't, it's still fine. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you next week. Bye!